Anyway, my name is Brevin Sotonik. I did Yusudi, or rather I came across Yusudi in 2021. That is when I graduated from campus. At that time, you didn't have that bigger picture of what sales is, the way Doris has described it so perfectly. Yeah? But, I knew sales for, just selling, right? So I applied for the Yusudi program, I got accepted, and then I started. 2 weeks in, I was told by my school, university that is, that I had missing marks. For those who have been to your end, I dropped out rather for a while. I went back to school, kushughulikia stories of missing marks, and then after graduating from uni, I decided, you know what, let me go back now and finish the course that I started in Yusudi. I loved it, to be honest. There were some highs and lows, but I can say for sure the highs were a bit more than the lows because, number one, it is very practical. They try as much as possible to minimize the amount of classwork and actually emphasize more on the practicability, because that is exactly what you're going to do out here. I finished within the 2 months and then I was placed. So that is how Yusudi worked for me. So far, I can say I'm still in sales. Woo! What I do at Glovo, my job majorly is to source restaurants who can partner with Glovo to put their menus and their businesses on Glovo. Currently, thanks to God, I advanced a little bit. I'm doing more of account management at Glovo. So, yeah, thank you. So, account management majorly entails you've brought these partners, yes? How do you ensure that they are profitable as possible in that particular company? Okay? So, I wish you the very best. Please, when you get placed, do your best there. It's going to work for your advantage, okay?